Hello everyone, by the title of the video you see that I got the Galaxy A32 5G. This isn't like the new one, but it's fairly new. It's from last year. I'm gonna be unboxing it for y'all today. I already took off the seals so I could open it up. So when you take off this beautiful little case that slides right on top, you see this part. After that, you get inside this little thing, there's pretty sure just the basic what comes in every phone, like instructions. We got a reference guide, we got it in Spanish, some more Spanish guides. Oh, this is the Spanish terms and conditions. And then this is the English form of terms and conditions. So it's just a little guide helping you out with the phone, setting it up and stuff, I'm guessing. It's that good stuff. And then in the lovely box, we got the phone itself. So, the phone. She's pretty big, honestly. Let's check this out. So I got a little thing down here that was wrapped around the phone. Just don't know exactly how it comes off, to be honest. Oh, there's a little slit over here. Just peel that up. This opens up. So we're undoing the phone wrapper. Okay, this is really nice, honestly. Got a little thing. So this is the phone itself, guys. I'm guessing this is the power button right here, and then this is the volumes. Over here we got the little SIM card thing over here on the side, which we're gonna put that SIM card in just a second. This is the phone when it powers on. We got a little charging port. I'm guessing it's just a regular typical Android charger, I'm assuming. Oh no, it looks like a Type-C actually. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a Type-C charger. It's too thick to be an Android, but just a normal USB. We got the beautiful box right here. Let me see if it's a fast charger. No, it's not a fast charger, but you got a little charger right here. Nice, nice. You got your little SIM card right here. That good stuff. And I'm pretty sure that's all what comes in the box. You get this little tool right here. And that's basically it, guys. Pretty sure there's no headphones with it. Yeah, no. That's all you get in the box. You just, this little thing. That's it. I'll just keep that out. Put the, I don't even know what the hell that came in. But, alright guys, so we got the phone right here. I'm gonna start this up for my dad. So we got the beautiful SIM card. I'm gonna just set this up real quick so y'all guys could see how it's looking. Gotta get this open now. It's so fancy. I love tech. It's just so fancy and stuff. Just open that little SIM card thing. It like popped out for a second. Okay. There it goes. Open that bad boy. We got that chip, that little SIM card up in there. Put that thing back in. All right, let's see how it's looking. So there we go, guys. The phone is starting up. Got this piece still. Connect to Wi-Fi real quick. But yeah, guys, I hope y'all guys enjoy the phone. This is the review of the Galaxy A32 5G. Again, this is not brand new. This came out in 2021. It is currently 2022. So y'all just know, like, this isn't brand new, but it's pretty nice. I'm gonna set this up and I'll be right back, guys.